everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be a haul video. I've picked up some really good everyday wear kind of bra as well as sportswear right over there. So that's what this haul is all about. I don't know if it's summer, but lately I don't like wearing underwired bra. और सारे मेरे अच्छे bra do have underwire in them, and I know a lot of you guys as well don't like to wear underwired or padded bra. So I have some really good picks that I'm very excited to show you guys, and I picked up some sportswear as well because you know this year Jan se I've started doing yoga, and lately I've stopped doing that as well. So I just want to motivate myself. Let's get started all over again. So I've picked up some really cute sportswear as well that I'll be showing you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First, let's get started with the everyday wear kind of a bra, and then we'll move on to the sportswear one. Also, you guys show so much of love for all my bra videos, honestly, whether it be the strapless one, sports bra, everyday wear kind of a bra, and you guys loved it, and I understand because there's not a lot of content for heavy bust girls, and this video is gonna be similar. So hopefully ये video को भी उतना ही आप प्यार दो. I'll leave the links above in case you don't know what I'm talking about. जो भी videos मैंने previously बनाए हैं on bras, I'll leave the link above for you guys in case you haven't checked it out. Okay, so the first bra I want to talk about is this beautiful pink bra from Enamer, and this one is called Enamer Cloud Soft Cotton Full Support Minimizer Bra. In case you guys don't know what is a minimizer, it's like a gift sent from heaven, especially if you're a C cup above, and if you want to minimize a size, this kind of a bra which is called a minimizer bra is perfect for you guys, because suppose if you are a size like the cup size is double D, then it will minimize it to D, so the appearance of your cup size will look a little smaller, and I absolutely love these kind of bras. And again, I love that it does not have any underwire. See, do you see how soft it is? Very soft. It is 95% cotton and 5% spandex if I'm not wrong. It does not have any underwire whatsoever, but I love that it does have this band, so it sits really firmly on your lower section under bust area. It does not have that kind of padding, but it's soft padding here, which is great. That will also prevent any nipple show whatsoever. I love this triangle section over here. Lets the air in and out and keeps that section well ventilated, I would say. Also, the straps. Love that it's nice and thick. It is adjustable, and इसका back section और side section भी जो है काफी अच्छा है. And over here you have 3 hooks, and it's quite nice and thick, तो काफी अच्छा support भी मिल जाता है. Let's talk about the cons now. Again, it is fixed, it is not removable, तो ये multiple way आप नहीं use कर सकते हो. It is exactly how it is, and honestly that's the only con I can think about. I love this one, and it gives me exactly the kind of support that I need. Also inside it has this kind of double layered stuff. It just cinches everything in, and it just looks really good. You know, major problem मेरा क्या होता था of all the bras that I have which does not have any underwire or padding in it, that it did not give me the support that I like. You know, जो underwire वाला जो support मिलता है, it used to never give me that. But these bras have changed my mind, and I am in love with this one. Let's quickly talk about the sizing as well, because यहाँ पर बहुत लोग गलती कर जाते हैं and then it doesn't fit them properly. Always and always measure yourself before ordering any bra. Measure your underbust area in inches or centimeter. Write it down. Measure your overbust area. Write it down in inches or centimeter. क्योंकि सारे brand का size chart अलग होता है, तो it's very important to know your centimeter or inches. And then you can refer to the size chart. और आपका जो cup size वहाँ पर जो inches में fit होता है, band size जो inches में fit होता है, you can order it according to that. Also, this one I do see it's available only till D cup. Now I have ordered it 36D, जबकि 34 double D मेरा proper size है, but 36D fits me according to their size chart, and this fits me like a glove. And that's what I meant कि आपको आपका size inches में पता होना चाहिए, so you can just refer to the size chart and order accordingly. Even though the band size I've ordered is 36, and my band size is usually 34. This still fits me because यहाँ पर आप देखोगे multiple hook levels है. So it starts from 33 actually. So 33, 34, 35 and this will be 36. जो जितना आप tight पहनोगे that will be like the smallest size over here. So this one does fit me perfectly. Moving on to the next bra, I've picked up this Persian red bra. Now this one is from this brand called Van Heusen and it's called Women Cotton Minimizer Bra. Now I love minimizer bra and जितने भी मैं आज वीडियो में दिखाने वाली हूँ सब के सब minimizer ही रहने वाले हैं. And this one is by far my favorite one that I've picked up and I'll tell you guys why. Again, this is non-wired, non-padded and this does have like that double kapda so you're safe in that nipple area. और अंदर आप देखोगे तो this one also has this kind of extra pocket over here. I feel it gives a really nice support from the sideways and yeah, this is how it looks like. Now let's look at the claims that they say. Now this reduces projection up to 1.5 inches. And I stand by that. This one is such a good minimizer bra और काफी हद तक ये cup size कम दिखाता है. You can clearly see it in the try on part as well. I love this one. इतना मुझे पसंद है कि मैंने ये एक और ऑर्डर किया है in a different color. I loved it so much. और इसका बैंड साइज भी देखोगे ना काफी अच्छा और थिक है. It just sits so well near the underbust area and even though it's kind of like this, I thought it will give me kind of like a uni boob क्योंकि यहाँ पर ऐसे कुछ separation नहीं है, but because of this triangle thing over here it just separates and just looks beautiful while minimizing it as well. अच्छा है, cotton material है, very breathable. Also this is something that I can wear outside as well. The support it gives is so good. It definitely beats my underwired good support bra. And let's take a look at the straps as well. I love a nice thick strap, especially because if you have a bigger cup size, सारा जो weight होता है वो आपके straps पे आता है, and if it is very thin, it starts digging in, and I hate that. It kind of starts leaving a dent as well if you keep wearing it for a longer period of time. When it has like a thicker strap like this, I feel like it distributes the weight evenly and इतना ज़्यादा आपके shoulder पे pain जो होता है वो भी कम हो जाएगा. So this one really helps and as you can clearly see it's full coverage which is great. Now coverage में भी multiple coverages आएंगे, half coverage, 3/4, full. Now if you are a C cup above, I would recommend you to go for a full coverage bra simply because 3/4 भी ले सकते हो but full coverage I prefer. If it is half cup, what happens is when you wear a top like a skinny top, it kind of gives you that 4 boob effect and I've done that mistake. I have a lot of balconette kind of bra, half cup bra and it just looks like you have 4 boobs. It works for A and B cup but I honestly feel it doesn't work for like heavier cup sizes. So full coverage, it just gives that seamless 1 boob, 2 boobs kind of effect I would say. So yeah, a really good one. Con again, I honestly feel there is no con in this. I love the back and the side support as well. काफी अच्छा thick है. And this one honestly looks so good. I would highly recommend. ये पूरे haul में एक अगर कुछ bra लेना होगा ना, get this one and you'll thank me later. The next bra I've picked up is from Jockey. Now this one I had the least expectations. वो देख के मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि पता नहीं काम करेगा भी नहीं, support देगा भी कि नहीं. Because just look at it. Let me just open it up for you guys. And this is how it looks like. देख के मुझे लगा था this is not going to do the job. This is not going to give me any support whatsoever. But I was so wrong. This one is definitely a hit. Alright, and I love the color as well. It's a beautiful nude color, very seamless. Now this one is called Jockey Women's Wire-Free Padded Microfiber Nylon Elastane Full Coverage Lounge Bra with 360-degree stretch and removable pads. Now let's quickly talk about the con because I do have a very big con. This one does come with pads. It's a very soft, very patla pad. That's not the problem. The thing is this is not stitched. So it keeps moving. So when you wear it, it folds. It gets tad bit annoying, honestly, to fix the pad and you know, wear it properly. It is removable, so if you don't want it, you can remove it, but I'm not sure if it will give you that nipple support. It will peek through, so that's my only con with this one. Secondly, let's talk about the pros now. I love how seamless and comfortable and soft it is on the body, and it does give you the support as well. So it's not like the basic kapda. It actually has this extra, I don't know if you can see it on camera, this extra thing that's stitched over here. It just gives you that support, that snug and the comfort and the support that your body needs. It also has, I don't know what technology they have used, बट ये जो लाइनिंग यहाँ पर, आई डोंट नो कैमरा में नहीं दिख रहा होगा, बट यहाँ पर एक काइंड ऑफ लाइनिंग है अंदर से दैट जस्ट फिट्स रियली गुड. Now I have ordered it according to the size chart, and उनके size chart के हिसाब से I'm supposed to be a size large. I did order it and I felt like it was a little bit too loose on me, so I've exchanged it for a size medium, and this definitely fit me really good. The underbust area snatched, and the cup size and everything worked really well for me, so a size medium fit me well. I would say if you're ordering something like this, go for a size small according to the size chart. जो भी होगा एक size small order करना. Imagine wearing this and traveling, like how comfortable. I absolutely love it. Moving on to the next one, I've picked up another bra from Enamer, and this is how it looks like. It's called their full coverage cotton bra, non-padded, wire free. यहाँ पर minimizer ऐसे कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं है, but I feel like it does give a really good minimizer effect. And yeah, this is how it looks like. As mentioned, wire free है, non-padded है, but I love that it does have double kapda over here. So if you're someone who's worried about any nipple show, this is gonna protect that, and it gives a really good like look and feel to it as well. Talking about the underburst area, even though there is no underwire, it does have a really good thick bottom underburst band size. It just snugs and fits really well, and it does give a really good support as well overall, which I was actually very surprised. Honestly, इतने सारे मैंने bra लिए हैं, and I'm really surprised with everything, because अभी तक मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि प्रॉपर सपोर्ट वाला चाहिए तो मुझे अंडरवायर ब्रा ही पहनना पड़ेगा, एंड आई वाज सो रॉन्ग, एंड दीज ऑल आर सो गुड. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइड सपोर्ट, बिकॉज बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि इतना लो कट हो जाता है कि डू फील अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बल्जिंग फ्रॉम द साइड और फ्रॉम द टॉप, but this has a really good coverage on the side as well, और side panel भी काफी अच्छा thick है, and then it is a little tiny over here, so it's really good if you have a like low back, so this will work for that. Talking about the strap, again, it's not very patla and it's not very thick as well. I really like that it's not sagging. None of this is giving me saggy boob effect, which thumbs up. Support wise, it's really good. Comfort, it's a cotton bra, really breathable and good quality, and I have actually used this and washed it as well ताकि मैं आप लोगों को रिव्यू दे सकूं. I really liked it, और मुझे इतना पसंद आया कि I actually placed another order for the same thing in this beautiful baby pink, soft pink color. It's so beautiful. The camera is actually washing it out, but it's a really beautiful pink color, and the same exact thing just in a different color. They also have it in this beautiful gray color as well. If I'm planning to buy another one, I'll probably get the gray one as well. I really like it, and I feel it's going to be a perfect everyday wear kind of bra that I won't fear of wearing outside as well. So a good one, thumbs up. I have picked up another Enamer bra. I feel like Enamer is doing something right when it comes to the support and comfort, especially for higher bust size. Now this is how it looks like. This is like my third purchase of the same exact bra. I have two more colors, one in black and one in like this beautiful blue shade, and I've picked up another grape wine shade. This is great for an everyday kind of a bra. I love everything about this. That's the reason I'm purchasing it for the third time. Now this one is called their non-padded, non-wired bra. It does not say anywhere that it's a minimizer, and I don't think it does like the minimizing job, but it does give a really good support. It does have this kind of like a piping, so just make sure कि वहाँ पर कुछ spillage ना हो, and everything is like nice and squished. Love the thick band. I love a thick band. It just gives a right support on the shoulders as well. really good support near the underbust area. Overall, it's really nice. Again, it is like double kapda hai, so no show through or anything. It's a really good bra, and I have spoken about this in my previous videos as well. I love it, and this is like my third purchase, so I feel like that says a lot about the product as well. So moving on to the last everyday wear kind of a bra I want to talk about. This one is again from Anama. It's their nylon blend non-padded wire-free full coverage bra, and I love the color and I love the lace detailing that's going on over here, and I so wanted it to be like, I just wanted it to do good, but it disappointed me. It's actually average. So this is how it looks like. Look wise, I love it. I love the lace detailing that's going on over here as well as near the side panel, but it does not give me the support that I need. It just kind of sags. You'll clearly see it in the try on part. Does not give me the support. It does not give me the kind of snug fit that I really want, and yeah, overall it's disappointing, honestly. Just this material I feel it just doesn't work really well. I feel like cotton का कपड़ा अच्छे से grip करता है, and it just gives a really good support overall. And this one, it's like, it's a bralette and I really wanted it to work for me, but it did not work for me. And I love the strap as well. It's nice and thick, but yeah, overall it just, if it doesn't give me the support, what's the use of it, right? So I'm probably gonna return it. Moving on to the sportswear section, the first thing I picked up is a sports bra by this brand called Bliss Club. Now I have tried their leggings, a lot of them actually, and I really like it. It's a really good brand and the materials they use are so top notch. And I've never tried the sports bra for some reason, so I thought let's give it a try. And this is the first thing I picked up. This is how it looks like. Love the color, love the fit of it, and also it kind of looks like a crop top with inbuilt bra in it. And the reason why I picked it up is because they claim 3 times more bounce control. Now if you're a heavier chested girl like me, you know that's the first thing you see when you buy a sports bra. Is it jiggle proof? Does it give bounce control? And this one claimed that they do give bounce control as well. So I was like, definitely need to try it out. And it does. It gives a really nice bounce control. एकदम ऐसे जरा भी नहीं हिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. It does jiggle a little, but it does a really good job. And जो भी मैंने अभी तक यूज किए उससे सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा तो यही देता है. So for that I will definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, I just love the way this looks on my body. It definitely looks like a crop top. I feel comfortable wearing just a sports bra because it literally covers everything. Even the top part is so high, you won't feel uncomfortable when you're bending or anything because it just covers everything. The side part, again, it just cinches really good over there. It's nice and wide. Also the back, it literally covers every single thing. There's just a tiny cutout over here, and I love that they have given like the hook detailing. Sometimes when you work out, you're sweaty and it just sticks to your body, and removing that sports bra once you come home becomes a task, and I hate it. Love that they have given some hooks over there. It just loosens it up and you can just remove it so comfortably. Everything about it is a 10 on 10. I actually will recommend it. Next, I picked up a bunch of workout dry fit t-shirts. So this is the first one. It's by Adidas and this is how it looks like. I love the neon green color and I love this deep cutout near the arm area, and I thought it would look really cool on me, but it does not look that good on me. I don't know why. Material भी बहुत ज़्यादा पतला है, but I feel like it's dry fit, so it will, I mean, it's supposed to be breathable. I wanted it to be like oversized feel. For some reason, I feel like it just looks weird on me. I don't know, might return this. So the second one I picked up from this brand Jockey, and this is how it looks like. Very plain, simple. Love the baby pink color, and the one thing I really like is the bottom is quite long. I know a lot of people are not comfortable with short tops. They want something that will cover their butt, and this one is exactly that. It's a low on the back area as well as front area, and it just has a U shape to it, which is very flattering. I picked it up in the size large and I feel like it's a little too big on me. I think a medium will fit me perfectly, but I love the fit and the way it snatches my body. And also पीछे ये ऐसे cutout भी है यहाँ पर. It's very soft and comfortable. I really like it. I'll probably get it in a size small for my shop. And this is the last t-shirt I've picked up. It's from this brand called Van Heusen, and I really like the color. It's so pretty, no? I love the color of this, and इस पे थोड़ा text भी दिया हुआ है नीचे. But again, I feel like I should have gone for a size small. This is extra large. I wanted it to be oversized, but this is a little bit too oversized for me. तो sizing में मैंने थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर दिया है, but honestly it's really pretty, and I definitely think I'll exchange it for a size smaller than this. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like it. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, Amazon's ultimate brand sale is live from 6 to 11 June. You can get minimum 40% off plus up to 5% extra off. So what you're waiting for, get your shopping done now. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.